Today it's all about vegetables, and I'm going to be showing you how to make sauteed potatoes, carrots, and green beans. This recipe is very quick to prepare, super delicious and full of flavor, not forgetting very healthy and filling. The sauteed veggies also are perfect as a side dish, so stay tuned until the end of the video to learn how to make this amazing recipe. You'll get started by peeling your potatoes and carrots. I've already done that. Next, you're going to pick your green beans and chop up into little pieces. Not too little, just medium-sized green beans. Now, I'm going to get started by chopping up my potatoes into bite-sized pieces. So I'm going to chop in half and quarter the potatoes, just like that. And this recipe is for around 2 people. You can double up the amount of ingredients and make for your entire family. Pick my carrots and cut in half, just like that. Lay on the side that is flat and chop my carrots. I'm a huge lover of potatoes, so definitely this is a recipe that you should try. So once you're done chopping up your carrots and potatoes, it's time to blanch or to boil the potatoes for around 5 minutes. So you're going to place a medium pot because the recipe is for around 2, and add in some cold water. Transfer your veggies to the pot. Parboiling the veggies is going to make it very easy for me to saute the veggies. So you'll boil for around 3 to 4 minutes. Always boil your potatoes in cold water because you want the potatoes to boil evenly. As the veggies are boiling or cooking, I'm going to be dicing up 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt to season my potatoes and carrots. After 3 minutes, the vegetables should be halfway cooked. So I'm going to turn off the flames and scoop out the veggies to a bowl. Once done, I'm going to let the potatoes and carrots cool for a little bit while I place a frying pan over medium flame. Add in around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add in your chopped garlic. The garlic is going to add lots of flavor to our sauteed potatoes, carrots, and green beans. You're going to cook the garlic for around 30 seconds until the garlic starts to have a very nice golden brown color. When the garlic has a very lovely color, just like this, you're going to add in your potatoes and carrots. Toss the potatoes and carrots together with the garlic. Add in some parsley, black pepper, and white pepper. A little bit of salt to fully season our vegetables. Remember, we added some salt in the boiling water. In the same water that you use to boil your potatoes and carrots, you're going to place in your green beans and blanch for around 3 minutes as you cook your potatoes and carrots. This already looks amazing, and also the aroma in the kitchen is just so good. Make sure to add enough seasoning to season your veggies because you don't want to have some bland veggies. After blanching the green beans, this is how they look like. So I'm going to transfer to my pan. After adding in your green beans, you're going to let the veggies cook for around 2 minutes on low flame. This is for the potatoes to fully cook and also to absorb all the nice flavors that we added. I love adding black pepper because it adds a very nice taste to my food. So if you don't have the white pepper, you can skip on the white pepper, but I added both because I also love adding in white pepper. The parsley is going to add a very nice taste to the potatoes, making the dish very delicious. After 2 minutes, the veggies are fully cooked, the carrots are soft, and also the potatoes are soft on the inside, and the outside is coated with the delicious spices. So I'm going to serve on a plate just to show you how amazing the sauteed vegetables are looking like. Making these delicious sauteed potatoes, carrots, and green beans is easy. In a matter of 15 minutes, including the prep time, you'll have some delicious sauteed vegetables. You can serve this meal as a side dish, and also you can enjoy the sauteed vegetables just as they are because they're so delicious and perfect. Hope you try out the recipe and enjoy.